Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm presenting insights from Chapter 7 of the book Digital Marketing, 9th edition by Pearson, which focuses on delivering the digital customer experience. This chapter explores how organizations design, develop, and optimize websites, apps, and digital platforms to meet user expectations and enhance the customer journey. I'll summarize the key ideas, connect them to our course topics, and share why these concepts matter in real-world digital marketing. Key point 1. Creating effective digital experiences. The chapter explains the processes needed to build effective websites and apps, from planning, design, usability, testing, accessibility, and mobile optimization to evaluating performance. For example, it highlights the importance of usability, referencing Nielsen's principle that, on the web, usability is a necessary condition for survival, meaning users abandon sites quickly if navigation is unclear or content is slow or confusing. Key point 2. Understanding the customer journey and conversion funnel. The chapter shows how digital experiences map onto a conversion funnel where users move from awareness to purchase with high drop-off rates at each stage. Optimizing navigation, page structure, page speed, and content helps reduce these drop-offs and improves conversion. Key point 3. Personalization and service quality. The chapter introduces the personalization pyramid and frameworks like WebQual, which describe qualities such as information accuracy, trust, visual appeal, response time, and emotional engagement. It also includes a case study on Zalando, showing how AI-driven personalization improves customer experience and loyalty. This chapter directly connects to our course themes, particularly digital consumer behavior, UX, UI principles, customer journey mapping, and e-commerce optimization. It reinforces what we've learned about the role of data-driven design, information architecture, and continuous testing in delivering experiences that satisfy user expectations. It also links to broader course discussions on how companies drive customer loyalty through consistent, trustworthy, and accessible digital touchpoints. These insights are highly applicable in real-world digital marketing. Businesses must design digital platforms around user needs, not internal assumptions. Usability testing, top tasks analysis, and accessibility audits help ensure that customers can find information quickly and complete actions efficiently. The chapter's examples, such as responsive design and AI-driven personalization, show how companies like Zalando optimize experiences to increase conversion and retention. Digital marketers must also evaluate service quality, speed, accuracy, trust, and empathy to build long-term e-loyalty. Overall, companies that prioritize user experience see higher engagement, satisfaction, and competitive advantage. Conclusion. To wrap up, Chapter 7 demonstrates that delivering an excellent digital customer experience is more than just good design. It requires strategy, research, usability, and continuous optimization. My key takeaway is that the best digital experiences are built around understanding real customer needs and removing every barrier to completing tasks online.